Okay, so my hair is looking kind of crazy right now because I haven't washed my hair in about 2 weeks because I had put in box braids and I took them out and I just haven't washed my hair yet. So this is what it's looking like right now. This is the section that I'm gonna, this little square right here. This is what I'm going to color. This little section. So I got that sectioned off already. Let's see, brighten it up or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Put this inside of this, shake it up real good. The instructions say to leave it on for 25 minutes and then shampoo and then follow the rest of the steps. so here are the final results of coloring my hair. I'm also going to show you how it looks in front of the window so you can see how it looks in natural sunlight. But I just went ahead and did, hi boo-boo. And EJ trying to talk to me. I just went ahead and did some flexi rods, something like super low manipulation, because I didn't want any kind of stress or tension up in here where I just colored it at. So that's what it's looking like in the top. Try to get a little close, you can see. The color is very pretty. It's a very pretty dark maroon, but I actually wanted it brighter, but I'm gonna just settle with this for now because this is very everyday appropriate and work appropriate and stuff like that. But probably like in the next 6 to 8 weeks, I probably will boost it up just a little brighter. But for now, I think this is really pretty, and I'm gonna show you how it looks in front of the window now. This is in full sunlight. But it's been a few days since I dyed my hair. It rained yesterday, so my curls fell and I didn't feel like recurling it. So what I did, I just did it in a little ponytail bun. But I just wanted to basically come and show you what it looks like when it's not down, just so it doesn't look like I dyed my whole head. Like, you know, it was just pretty much this middle section right here. So I just came back to just show that. I know it's looking rough right now. Because, like I said, it rained yesterday or whatever. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's just a section in the middle right here. I just want to come and give you like more of a little close-up of how it looks when it's actually like put up like this. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.